Your next part is the number less than 1. That means 0 point something. It should be less than 1, greater than 0. So how do you write the number less than 1? I think you have done indices lesson. That time you go with minus power. Here look at this. If you have a 1 over 10, 1 over 10 can be write 10 to the power minus 1. 1 over 100 you can write 10 to the power 2. If you bring it upside, it is minus 2. So I think you are familiar with this part. So we are applying this part in the next session. So look at this one. If you have a 0.8, then you want to bring this number between 1 and 10. Then you shifted this decimal backside 1 2, then you can write 8 over. If it is 2 times, you can see here, you can write divide 100. So look at this decimal I am shifting 1 2. So you count these zeros, then you can write 2 zeros there. Then next time you can write 100 can be write 10 to the power 2. If you bring this 10 to the power 2 upside, it comes minus 2. Now you can see this is the scientific notation of the given number. So before I do, you try this one. Pause your video and write down and try yourself. That is better. Then how do you do that? You have to shift at your decimal 1 2, because don't shift here, because if you shift here it comes 13 point. 13 is not less than 10, 13 is greater than 10. So if you stop here, it is 1 point. 1 meaning less than 10. Then you can see here 1 point. Some people say, why sir, why don't you shift it here? I don't shift here. The reason is it should be number between 1 or 1 and 10. 1 or 1 and 10. Okay, so next one 10 to the power 2. So you can see here very easy the number of the zeros before the digits, it is equal here. Here 2 zeros, this part also 2 zeros, this value is 2. Then you can write 10 to the power minus 2. Now you can see your number is in between 1 or 1 and 10. That's a 1.38 meaning number greater than 1, then 10 to the power minus 2. Next part. Here now you can easily answer. If there are 3 zeros, you know it is 1 with 3 zeros. Look at this, 1 with 3 zeros. Then you can write 9, 10 to the power 3. If there are 3 here, you have to write in 3. Then 10 to the power minus 3. Shall we shift next part? Here you shift here 3.5. Then 3.5 divided by 10. Then if there are only 1 0, you can write 1. Then 10 to the power minus 1. Try yourself this one. It is 5. Directly you can write the answer. 5.1 10 to the power minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we check it? Yes, it is correct. So I think you have the idea about this part. Now you can shift your next exercise. Okay. Your next part is the converting number expressed in the scientific notation to the general form. That means I'm going to the given number shifted to the scientific notation. So method is very easy. So this is the given number in the scientific notation. 10 to the power 4 you can expand. So reverse method I am going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how do you do that? You put you can do here if there are 2 decimals, you can see here 2 decimals, you can remove 2 zeros from here, then put another 2 zeros, easy. Or otherwise very easy method is, you can see you have to shift the decimal. If it is 4, you shift the decimal 4 times, 1 2. If there are no any digits, you can put additional zeros, 3 4. So here 4, you have to shift it to the right side. How many times? 4 times. So 1 2 3 4 times. But in this case there are only 2 digits, so you can shift it 1 only 2 times. So if you have to do the additional shift. What do you supposed to do? You have to put another 2 zeros. Then I added additional 2 zeros. This is very easy method, I think, than this first method. In your exam they will let you to do both method because textbook including both system. Okay, next one, if you have a -1, so if you have a +1, this case look at, if you have a +1 you have to shift at your right side. If you have a -1 you can shift at your left side. Look at the -1, so -1 can be 1 over 10 to the power 4. So if you go furthermore division, then you have to shift your decimal your left side, left hand side. Look at this, your decimal in here 4 times, 1 2 3 4. When you are converting minus index, that's mean negative powers. So easy method is, you can see here 4. So before this one there will be 1 2 3 4 zeros. So there is a pattern, it is related with this value, this -4 and 4 zeros. Okay, so look at this -4. If it is -4 it should be 4 zeros. If it is -3 it should be 3 zeros. If it is -2 it should be 2 zeros, like that. So here they gave the shifting method 1 2 3 4 times. Your decimal in here, you have to shift to 4 times, but your right side. If it is positive numbers you have to shift your left side, sorry, right side. If it is negative number you have to shift your right side. Okay, so how do you do that? It is positive or negative? Positive value. Which side you want to shift? You want to shift your right side. You have to shift 3 times. Are there 3 digits? No. Additionally you want to put 2 zeros. So look at this, how to do that. So here your number 1 2 3 shift because of this index. If it is 3 it should be 3 shifts. If you don't have any digit to shift, you can put additional zeros. So if it is minus, which side you want to shift? Your left side. Look at this left side. 1 2 3. 3 times you have to left side. So the easy way in the negative one, if it is -3, this 0 should be 3. If it is -2, it should be 2 zeros only, like that. Okay, I think you have good idea with that one. Now you can go with your next exercise.